Hi guys, and welcome to freecuisine.com. I'm excited for you along your journey to wellness. Please visit us today at www.phriquizine, that is simply spelled Free Cuisine. And I've been taking a break off the gym, and I just want to give you some great advice during my downtime of relaxation. First and foremost, I want to address some questions that was asked through my subscription list. And what I found, being that it's 2019, there is so much confusion going on because you have these different biased information on Google, and a lot of people who are going to Western medicine doctors, they are getting a lot of antiquated information. So it is so important when you go to the doctor to make sure that your doctor is up to speed as it pertains to diet and clinical research. Okay, if you are going to a place of medicinal practices, you're going to get prescribed a medicine. So please do not be alarmed when they give you this type of prescription. That is what they're trained to do. However, you have another aspect of health that is called functional medicine health, as well as herbalists. Okay, these people are also trained in helping you cure the symptom of the disease, and what you find is these are specialists that help treat chronic and acute inflammation. Being that we have been bombarded and brainwashed with so much information, nobody knows what to believe. The average person here does not realize that we are in an opioid crisis. If you go right now to www.whitehouse.gov, you will see that our president has released a presentation on the opioid crisis, being that 3 out of 4 people are on some form of pain prescription drug or narcotic. Okay, the information that I'm going to give you is going to help save a life. A lot of you are walking around, do not know what is wrong with you based upon the information that was given to you by your doctor. Always, you want to listen to your body first. Get in tune with your own system and see how your body is responding and reacting to certain foods and beverages. If you have a poor reaction, 9 times out of 10, your body is not digesting that type of food item. Please be mindful. Testing are great. Western medicine does a great job with their tests. However, testing is not all that inclusive, meaning that some things go undetected. The best thing to do is get your internal organ health tested. So that is a more thorough diagnosis. Simply getting your pressure checked and your insulin and your glucose levels checked is not enough. That's if you want to achieve that optimal health. Of course, we know rigorous activity is also essential, being that high intensity interval training has been linked to curing a lot of degenerative illnesses, also helping improve our short-term memory and things like that. Short-term bursts of exercise is really beneficial in curing inflammation. That also has been linked to scientific evidence. So now, I am not pushing any diet plan on anyone. If you go to my homepage and you go to the About page, you'll see that I talk about all the diets that are out. I have over 10 years of experience. Also, I've been in a lot of counseling, health seminars, and things like that, where I've got the proper and appropriate education. Okay, I also have my master's degree. With that being said, we provide an education. So I give you an example. So if the doctor has prescribed you to be on a ketogenic-like diet, what we do is we teach you how to go about implementing that properly. Because these dietary regimens and plans that you guys are choosing to be on, whether it be paleo, keto, vegetarian, vegan, you need some type of support system. I see a lot of you guys who are not really getting the results that you want because you are too cheap to pay somebody to help you. You cannot get through this alone, And there are so many people who have gone through what you've been through who could assist you along the way. And it is so sad that I see the average person that I meet has gotten so many surgeries. Raise your hand if you have gotten a surgery or if somebody in your family has been diagnosed with a degenerative disease. I will almost guarantee that you have raised your hand. That's just the times that we're living in. So my goal is to teach you a lot of things so you won't simply go down that road. I would like to think that, you would want to choose a healthier alternative. So the first step to achieving optimal health is, 1, behavior patterns and lifestyle traits. Stress management is also essential to your health. Learning how to breathe, learning how to cope with life circumstances without always stressing yourself out and worrying. That's the first step to health. Learning how to cope with your daily activities. Be mindful that life is not always dietary or food related, okay? So there are a lot of adaptogen herbs you can consider in your dietary regimen that's going to help you lower your cortisol and cope with stress. And the programs that I created are very fun, very culinary. You wouldn't even know the difference of what you're eating anyway, being that I have 10 years of experience in being a professional chef as well. I'm also a certified food handler. For those who don't know, you can look up my certifications online. So I just want to bring forth some clarity because a lot of people I meet that think they're dying, that think their body is not healed. Majority of people I meet have growths and heart-related conditions. And being that I'm meeting people that they are in their 30s, I met a guy the other day, he was in his 20s who had a heart attack. So it's really not age related, it's lifestyle related, and many of the diseases that you all are getting diagnosed with, you are causing them. These are not genetic predispositions. If you are in disbelief of anything that I've just expressed, I encourage you to go research and Google doctors like Dr. Paul Moore. He's a brain neurosurgeon. Dr. Williams Davis, he's a cardiologist doctor. You also want to check out Dr. Gundry, okay? These are doctors who support my evidence. You do not necessarily have to be a gluten intolerant or a celiac to benefit from the gluten-free diet. Okay, it's just a lot of you guys are in disbelief that the grains aren't GMO, so you keep eating them, and half of you guys are on depression meds and anxiety medication. These type of degenerative diseases go away once the inflammation is gone. There's a component in the human body called stem cells. Stem cells is what heal the body when there is too much inflammation and there's an injury and bodily damage. What happens when you cut yourself or you fall on the ground? That wound closes and that wound heals. That does not stay open forever. So why does scientific research and medical doctors teaches us that our body cannot heal? Why? Because that's the only thing that they know, and that's the only thing that they've been taught. I highly encourage you to do your further research and get you an education that'll last a lifetime, because people's lack of education is what's taking them out one day at a time. So here at Frequency, we do not do anything, we do not eat any bland foods. We also do not push diets on people. Half the people that have signed up for my programs actually enjoy the food creations that I created, and they've actually had a lot of healing components. So my goal is to be a great support system to you along your journey to health and wellness. Thank you, and you have a great day.